Driver of a tree trimming truck was arrested Thursday morning after the CHP concluded he was under the influence of drugs and ran a red light on Highway 12 in East Santa Rosa, killing the driver of an oncoming car. The driver, Tanner Robinson, 29, was arrested at the scene after being determined to be under the influence of drugs, CHP Officer David DeRutte said. The identity of the victim, a man, wasn't available. Robinson was booked into the Sonoma County Jail Thursday afternoon on 2 felony charges: gross vehicular manslaughter while intoxicated and driving under the influence causing great bodily injury. Bail was set at $100,000.